Okay, so we were done with the animal virus. Now let's talk about another animal virus. That is, first one is measles virus. Second is the ebola virus. Okay, so this is a virus. Basically, in body we are having through this virus we are having the itchy type something, rashes and something, because of the pores in our body, red pores in our body. Okay, and this virus basically happen mostly in children. Okay, so first of all, the one thing about the measles virus is that it is the vector. You can say that it is the virus is transmitted, or you can say that the virus is transmitted by the airborne is the vector. Airborne virus is a vector, or you can say airborne droplets are the vector from the nose and throat of, and you can say that from any infected person which is having the virus. So that is having the airborne virus, and if he is sneezing or if she is sneezing, coughing, uh, the infected person is coughing and doing these type of things, so that can be the vector of the airborne is a vector. Okay, now let's talk about the next thing, that is this is enveloped virus, and they are having the genome that is G negative RNA genome. They are having the negative RNA genome. Okay, and we're talking about the symptoms. So symptoms are basically the fever, cough, runny nose, as well as you can say that the body rashes. And if you're talking about the transmission, so transmission, as you guys all know, that the airborne is a vector or transmit vector, so of course the transmission will be the coughing or sneezing of the infected person. Okay, so this is a virus, measles virus. Now let's talk about the ebola virus. Ebola virus is having a vector, or you can say this is transmitted through the you can say that through the canine animals. What are canine animals? Canine animals are like bats, dogs, etc. Okay, and if you're talking about the genome, so they are having the genome that is the negative sense RNA, and they are, you can say that they are having a negative sense RNA virus. Okay, so this is negative. They are having the genome or nucleic acid that is negative sense, or they are having the negative RNA. If we're talking about the transmission, so transmission is the from the body fluid. They can transmit through one person to another person. If you're talking about the symptoms, so the symptoms are the hemorrhagic fever. That is a fever which damage the organ systems. Like which kind of organ systems? Like circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system. So this virus is more dangerous, and that can cause death as well, but in severe condition. Okay, and this virus can also become dead but in the severe, but this is mostly death cause virus. Okay, this is mostly death cause virus, and this is also death cause virus but in severe condition. But this can be the death cause virus because they are you can say they are damaging the organ system, which are the main system of our body. So the ebola virus can be the death cause, and this can be also death cause, but in some some ways, or you can say in severe condition of the body, that can cause, and this is the normally death cause. Okay, So this was today's lecture. And if you're talking about the vaccine, so they are having the vaccine, but ebola virus is having no vaccine. That can be done easily, you can say that can be easily we can after vaccine that can easily destroy in our body, but this is having no vaccine, so that's why they are having the more death ratio. Okay, so today's lecture was about the measles virus as well as the ebola virus.